right, for this first part, we're going to learn how to make the body of the snowman. Let's go ahead and name this snowman. After you do that, we're going to go and find the sphere, which is this one. We're just going to drag it over. All right, now to change its size, you click on the white squares. Let's go ahead and click on one of the corner ones because it's going to allow us to change two measurements at once. For the bottom of our snowman, I want it to be 40 by 40, and then I also want the height to be 40. So out of all of these squares, there's one right here, and that's actually the height. I'm going to make that 40 as well. All right, so I'm going to just click and drag it around. I'm going to see that this is a perfect sphere. All right, so let's go ahead and do another sphere. Let's bring this one in. And like we did the one before, instead of 40, we're going to put 30. So 30 by 30, and then the height, we're going to go ahead and do 30. Now, we're going to stack these just like you would if you were building a real snowman. So when I click on this again, I want to look up for this little cone. And when I click and drag, there's a number that pops up right here. That's how far off of the grid we're going to be. For this one, I want to go up to 38, so I just type in 38. Now, this isn't exactly how I want the snowman to look, so I'm going to have to click and drag over both. So I'm clicking and dragging, and what that's doing is selecting both. Now, if we look up to this button right here, align, or I could click L, I'm going to be able to move things around. So each of these is going to tell me where it's going to go. I want to align here in the middle and in the middle again. So now when I click out of it and I click around or I look around it by clicking on this box over here, it's perfectly lined up. All right, so let's go ahead and do the top part of our body. We drug another sphere in. This one is actually going to stay 20 by 20 by 20. And I'm going to look at the front. Okay, I want to pull this one up to, let's do 68 on this one. So I just click in and type in 68. All right, so now I could click and move it, but you're going to find that when you move stuff, it doesn't exactly look or go exactly where you want it to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag over all of them, just like I did earlier. I'm going to click L, or you could go up here, and I'm going to line them all up. Again, middle and middle. So now you have created the body of your snowman, and once you're ready, we can go to the next video.